She stopped replying, but somehow she still watches every single one of your stories. Your messages sit there unread for hours, sometimes days. The conversations that once felt effortless suddenly became cold, short, distant. Maybe she disappeared completely without giving you any real explanation. And yet, every time you post something, there she is, watching, quietly present without actually reaching out. Now your mind starts racing. If she's really done with you, why is she still checking your life? Why does she ignore your texts but never miss your updates? Most men completely lose themselves in this stage. They start overanalyzing every view, every post, every tiny interaction, hoping it means she secretly wants to come back. Others react emotionally. They double text, post indirect messages, disappear to get revenge, or try to force her attention back. And without realizing it, they destroy whatever attraction was still left. What most men never understand is that story watching is rarely random. It's psychological. Sometimes it's curiosity, sometimes it's emotional attachment, sometimes it's ego, and sometimes it's a silent test to see whether you remain emotionally grounded when attention becomes inconsistent. And the truth is, women often reveal more through indirect behavior than direct communication, especially when they are conflicted, uncertain about their feelings, or trying to regain control over emotional balance between you. The dangerous part is this: the wrong response pushes her even further away, while the right response completely changes the emotional dynamic between you. By the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly what her silence really means, the fatal mistakes men make after it happens, and the one behavior that quietly restores attraction instead of killing it. Because the last behavior is what separates emotionally grounded men from the men women quietly lose respect for. The first thing you need to understand is this: women do not watch stories accidentally, especially not repeatedly. Social media stories give people something incredibly powerful psychologically: emotional access without emotional vulnerability. She does not have to text you. She does not have to explain herself. She does not have to reopen the emotional intensity of the connection. She can simply observe you from a safe distance while still feeling emotionally connected to your world. That is why so many men completely misunderstand what is happening. They think, if she still watches me, she must want me back. Not necessarily. Story watching is often less about romance and more about emotional monitoring, curiosity, attachment, ego reassurance. Sometimes she wants to see whether you are falling apart without her. Sometimes she wonders if you already moved on. Sometimes she misses the emotional familiarity, but not the pressure of direct conversation. Women often pull away emotionally before they fully detach psychologically. That distinction matters more than most men realize. A woman may stop replying because she feels overwhelmed, uncertain, emotionally conflicted, or simply because she wants space. But even while creating distance, part of her still feels drawn to check your emotional state indirectly. Stories allow her to stay connected without fully re-entering your life. And this is exactly where most men destroy themselves. The moment they notice her watching, they panic. They start posting emotional bait hoping for a reaction. They upload forced photos with other women. They double text. They try to create jealousy. They chase reassurance instead of maintaining composure. In other words, they become emotionally reactive. But grounded men understand something different. They understand that attention is not commitment. Curiosity is not clarity, and emotional uncertainty is not an emergency. Instead of chasing answers, they stay calm. They continue living normally. They understand that emotional dynamics are rarely logical in the moment. And ironically, that emotional self-control is often what women notice most when they silently keep watching from a distance anyway. Now, here is where most men completely destroy the situation without even realizing it. The moment her replies slow down, their entire emotional state starts collapsing. Suddenly, every story view feels loaded with meaning. Every hour without a text feels personal, and instead of staying grounded, they react emotionally. They double text to force reassurance. They post targeted stories hoping she notices. They disappear dramatically trying to teach her a lesson. Some send long emotional paragraphs explaining how hurt they feel. Others obsessively check who viewed every single story, hoping for proof that she still cares. What they fail to understand is that attraction often dies from emotional pressure, not silence itself. Silence creates uncertainty, yes, but desperation destroys mystery, confidence, and emotional safety almost instantly. The second she feels that your emotional stability depends on her attention, the entire dynamic shifts. Now, instead of feeling curiosity, she feels responsibility. Instead of emotional tension, she feels emotional pressure. And women are incredibly sensitive to this shift, even when they never say it directly. A woman may not consciously think, "He seems emotionally dependent," but she feels it through your behavior, through the sudden overposting, through the indirect messages, through the emotional energy behind every interaction. Human beings communicate emotional states far more through behavior than words. This is why so many men fail during periods of distance. They think attraction is maintained by chasing clarity. In reality, attraction is often revealed by how someone handles uncertainty. Your reaction to emotional uncertainty tells her more about your confidence than your words ever will. Because when communication becomes inconsistent, something psychological happens beneath the surface. She starts observing your emotional regulation. Can he remain calm without constant reassurance? Can he continue living his life without spiraling emotionally? Can he handle distance without trying to force control over the situation? Most men cannot. And that is exactly why they unintentionally push women further away. Emotional overreaction signals fear of loss, and fear changes behavior fast. Suddenly, the man who once felt grounded becomes emotionally impulsive, validation-seeking, and difficult to relax around. But emotionally centered men understand something powerful. Silence is uncomfortable, but discomfort is not danger. And the man who can stay composed while emotions become uncertain immediately separates himself from the men women quietly lose attraction to every single day. So what does it actually mean when she keeps watching your stories while staying emotionally distant? The truth is, there is no single answer, and that is exactly why so many men become obsessed trying to decode it. Human emotions are rarely clean and linear, especially when attraction, attachment, ego, and uncertainty all get mixed together. Sometimes her story watching is driven by emotional curiosity. Even after pulling away, part of her still wonders about you. She wants to know how you are doing, whether you changed, whether your energy feels different without her around. Emotional curiosity keeps people emotionally connected long after communication slows down. Other times, it is ego reassurance. She wants to know whether you still care, whether you are posting to get her attention, whether you already replaced her, whether she still affects you emotionally. This does not necessarily mean she wants a relationship again. Sometimes people simply seek reassurance that they still hold emotional influence over someone they once mattered to. Then there is emotional ambivalence, and this one is more common than most men realize. Part of her genuinely pulled away. Maybe she lost certainty. Maybe she became overwhelmed. Maybe attraction weakened. But another part of her still feels emotionally attached to the connection you shared. Human beings are capable of feeling distance and attachment at the same time. That emotional contradiction is why people often leave emotionally before they fully let go psychologically. For some women, your stories simply become a form of habitual emotional connection. Your presence became part of her routine. She got used to checking your life, your energy, your updates. Emotional habits are powerful. Even after attraction changes, people often continue observing what once felt emotionally familiar to them. And yes, sometimes story watching is silent attraction monitoring. She wants access to you without vulnerability. She wants to feel close enough to observe but distant enough to protect herself emotionally. Stories create the perfect emotional middle ground for that. But listen carefully, because this part matters. Story watching alone does not automatically mean she is secretly in love, trying to come back, or planning a future with you. Most men emotionally destroy themselves by turning passive attention into fantasy. Emotionally attractive men do not obsess over decoding every view because they understand a powerful principle. Interest without investment means nothing yet. Real attraction eventually moves toward action, communication, effort, and consistency. Until then, story watching is simply information, not emotional certainty. And the man who understands that stays emotionally grounded while everyone else loses themselves chasing invisible meaning. So what is the response that quietly restores attraction instead of destroying it? It is not manipulation. It is not pretending not to care. And it is definitely not posting calculated stories hoping she suddenly panics and comes running back. The high-value response is much simpler than most men expect. You stop performing emotionally for her attention and return your focus to your own emotional stability. That means you continue living your life normally. You stop checking whether she viewed every story within 30 seconds. You stop posting cryptic quotes designed to make her feel guilty. You stop trying to trigger jealousy with forced photos, fake confidence, or emotionally loaded silence. Most importantly, you stop making your emotional state dependent on whether she responds or not. Because the strongest response to uncertainty is calmness. Most men think attraction is restored through pressure, persuasion, or emotional intensity. But emotional pressure usually creates emotional resistance. Calmness creates space. And space allows curiosity to grow naturally again. When she notices that your life continues without emotional collapse, something subtle changes psychologically. She sees stability instead of desperation, emotional self-control instead of panic, forward movement instead of emotional dependency. And whether she consciously admits it or not, that energy feels different. Silence affects weak men emotionally. Grounded men keep moving. That is the difference. Weak men stop living the moment attention becomes inconsistent. Their routines disappear. Their confidence becomes unstable. Their entire emotional world starts orbiting around one woman's behavior. But emotionally grounded men maintain structure. They keep training, working, socializing, building, laughing, resting, growing. Not as a performance, but because their identity was never built around external validation in the first place. Ironically, this emotional independence often creates far more intrigue than emotional chasing ever could. Because now she can no longer clearly read your emotional state. You are no longer reacting predictably. You are not disappearing dramatically trying to punish her. You are not begging for reassurance. You are not forcing conversations that she clearly is not emotionally ready to have. You simply remain emotionally centered while continuing to live your life. And that calm confidence communicates something powerful without words. It says, I value the connection, but I do not lose myself when things become uncertain. That energy is rare. Most people become emotionally reactive the second they feel distance. But the man who stays composed during emotional ambiguity immediately separates himself from the men who constantly seek validation just to feel secure about themselves. Here is the deeper psychological reality most people never talk about. Human beings struggle to fully detach from unfinished emotional connections. The mind naturally seeks closure, emotional certainty, and resolution, especially when feelings were once intense. And social media quietly amplifies this process in ways previous generations never had to experience. It creates emotional proximity without vulnerability, attachment without communication, curiosity without commitment. That is why someone can stop talking to you while still remaining emotionally connected to your presence online. Every story becomes a tiny emotional update, a small dopamine hit, a subtle reminder that you still exist, still move forward, still have a life outside of them. Psychologically, these repeated micro-updates keep emotional threads alive much longer than people realize. This is also why emotionally unresolved people often continue monitoring each other silently for months. They check stories late at night, they search profiles impulsively, They observe from a distance while pretending emotionally to themselves that they no longer care. But emotionally detached people rarely feel the need to repeatedly monitor someone's life. Consistent observation usually signals unresolved emotional processing happening beneath the surface. Now, that does not automatically mean she consciously wants to reconnect. This is where emotional maturity matters. A woman can genuinely try to move on while still feeling psychologically attached at the same time. Those two experiences can coexist. One part of her may want emotional distance. Another part still feels emotionally connected to the familiarity, the memories, the emotional rhythm you once shared. And honestly, this emotional contradiction exists in almost everyone at some point. People are not robots. Detachment is rarely immediate or perfectly clean, especially when emotional investment once existed. But this is where grounded men separate themselves emotionally from reactive men. Reactive men turn emotional ambiguity into fantasy. They assume every story view secretly means love, obsession, or inevitable reconciliation. Then they emotionally attach themselves to assumptions instead of reality. Grounded men do something different. They observe behavior calmly instead of emotionally. They understand that psychological attachment is real, but they also understand that attachment alone changes nothing unless it eventually becomes consistent action, effort, and communication. Until then, they stay centered, because emotional stability always creates clearer judgment than emotional obsession ever will. At the end of the day, her watching your stories is not the real problem. The real issue is how you respond emotionally once attention becomes inconsistent. That is the moment that reveals everything about a man's emotional foundation. Weak men immediately chase reassurance. They panic, overanalyze, seek control, and slowly lose themselves trying to force clarity from someone who is emotionally uncertain. But emotionally grounded men understand something most people never learn. Attraction often has room to breathe again only when emotional pressure disappears. That does not mean pretending not to care. It means refusing to abandon your self-respect just because communication changed. It means understanding that your emotional stability cannot depend on somebody else's temporary attention, because the man who remains calm when attention becomes inconsistent becomes impossible to manipulate emotionally. And that energy changes every relationship in his life, not just romantic ones. The moment you stop obsessing over every view, every delay, every silence, you regain something far more valuable than validation. You regain emotional control over yourself. And ironically, that calm emotional independence is often what makes people feel your absence the most. So, moving forward, stop focusing only on whether she is watching. Start paying attention to whether you are still centered. Subscribe to the channel right now because in the next video, I'm going to reveal the biggest mistake men make after a woman starts pulling away emotionally and why that one behavior destroys attraction faster than almost anything else.